In previous class, I did these two chapters, solar energy and echoic green. So now I am doing the questions for this lesson. Let's come. First, fill in the blanks. Two of the most important forms of energy are heat and light. Most of the energy in the world comes from the sun. Archimedes was a mathematician from Greece. Georges Buffon was a French scientist. Flat plate collectors is a device that uses solar power. Right? True or false? India is yet to tap solar energy. False. Solar energy is artificially generated energy. False. Solar energy cannot be used for cooking. False. Mirrors are used to focus the sun's rays. True. Solar energy can be used only for industrial purpose. False. Match the following. Georges Buffon set fire to a pile of wood with sun's rays. Flat metal plates are placed on the roof. Houses in cold climates have windows facing the sun. Batteries in solar devices receive the solar energy. The sun gives us clean and green energy. Okay, next, fourth answer the following questions. What are the flat plate collectors? Flat plate collectors are devices that use solar energy. These are metal plates over or under which hot water flows in pipes. Next, how do flat plate collectors work? The plates are placed on the roof of a house at an angle so that they face the sun's rays directly. The pipes get heated and the water circulates through a hot water storage tank. Next, C. How are the solar homes in cold countries designed? In cold countries, there are solar energy powered homes with the windows facing the sun. The roof and the valley are so designed that they store the sun's heat. Fourth, what do mirrors do? Mirrors, when angled properly, focus the light and heat of the sun. This heat can be used to light fires. Furnaces used in industries use mirrors to focus the sun's rays. As the mirrors are huge, the temperature can rise up to 3800 degrees. Next, E question. To which energy form To which energy form can the solar energy collected in 2 weeks be compared? It is said that the solar energy we get in 2 weeks is as the energy we can obtain from all the oil, gas and coal in the world. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. Dash of crops is the most important concern when monsoons fail. Irrigation. The land has to be dash for crops to grow. Fertile. Next, when the field is ploughed, it makes long, narrow furrows in the soil. Oil seeds, cotton, sugarcane, etc. are called cash crops. Farmers have a very busy time during harvest season. Next, find the meaning of these words using your dictionary and write them in the space provided. Delegation, the action of distributing the work to others. Proactive, taking charge of a situation early. Streamline, organize work and make it more efficient. Management, process of dealing effectively with things or people. Motivation, reasons for behaving in a certain way. Using question words, form questions for the following answers. A bear is sitting on the chair. Who is sitting on the chair? I am 9 years old. How old are you? I am eating rice. What are you eating? I will be home tonight. When will you be home? I am going to school. Where are you going? Next, complete the following with correct question tags. You are coming with me, aren't you? They can dance well, can't they? The dog cannot catch the cat, can it? Uncle and aunt are not coming, are they? He can draw this picture, can't he? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ವರ್ಬ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಬನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾಟನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ಕಾಂಟ್ ದೇ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ದ ಡಾಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಎಕೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್. Fill in the blanks. Who does the sun make happy? The skies. Name the birds that announce the arrival of spring. Skylark, thrush. Pick two words from the first stanza that means happy. Merry, cheerful. What would old John think of when he looks at the children playing under the oak tree? His childhood. The first stanza captures a happy mood. What mood does the last stanza capture? Sad mood. Answer the following questions. What does the sun do? The sun rises and makes the skies happy. In the evening, the sun sets. What do you know about John? Is he young or old? How do you know? The answer is John is an old man sitting under the oak with his friends. As he watches the children play, he recalls his happy childhood days. We know he is old from the phrase with white hair and among the old folk. Next, C question. What do the old people say and recall about their times? The old men recall their childhood and say that as girls and boys they experienced many joys on the echoing green. Next, D. What time of the day is it in the last stanza of the poem? It is the evening as the sun goes down and the children's games and sports have come to an end. What is the state of the children when the sun sets? When the sun sets, the children are tired. Their mothers lap just as birds return to their nests, ready for rest. Okay, this is the answers for these two chapters. So these chapters are come to your unit test. Later I will announce the timetable. You have to prepare for these chapters. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.